Now, this is the exact month the current crypto bear market is going to bottom. I've been able to do the mathematics for you guys, so you have nothing to worry about. You probably should save this video somewhere for future reference, because most of the analysis we are going to be doing in this video is definitely going to come to pass, so you should save this video to confirm for future reference. And so I've been able to do the math, and it always comes out almost exactly. I think this model has a 98% success rate, and the truth of the matter is this model doesn't care about your timeline. It always plays out exactly how it has done in the past, and human lie, but the chart doesn't lie. Now, if you're paying attention, the entire cryptocurrency market fear and greed index is currently in an extreme fear territory, indicating 5. This is the lowest we've dropped in crypto history. Today is February 23rd, 2026. If you're excited about this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, feel free to subscribe, and also feel free to check out the link in the description of this video and also in the comment section of this video to join our elite cryptocurrency trading group and to gain access to our crypto course as well. Now, we're going to be talking about the orders chart against the BTC pair, or of course this BTC chart, and also the BTC dominance chart, the BTC price update, and also the BTC entire price action. Not to forget this BTC chart I brought to you guys' attention November last year, 2025. I told you guys the moment BTC lost the 50 exponential moving average, we were going to continue to tank to the downside, just like BTC did in 2022. It is playing out exactly how we predicted several months ago. That was November 2025. We lost the 50 exponential moving average. We tested it as resistance, and then tanked further to the downside all the way to 60k. Now, we're going to be talking about that shortly in this video, and if you guys are paying attention, XLM is currently trading around 15 cents. My buy limit order is still very, very valid. As a matter of fact, I'm expecting a temporary bounce from here to the upside, but my final massive entry zone is going to be around 9 cents for XLM, and also for XRP I'm expecting a short-term bounce around $1.30 and also around the $1.14 area. You get, if we lose the $1.14 area, then my final entry for XRP around 67 cents is going to get triggered. The moment we are losing the $1.30 and $1.14 zone, nothing is stopping XRP from dropping to 66 cents. You guys need to pay attention to what I'm saying. Like, seriously. Now, if you're paying attention to XDC is currently trading around 3 cents. I have my limit order open around that same 3 cent, 0.03 to be precise. Now, this is my high probability setup for XTC. I'm expecting to get a bounce from here to the upside. The market is currently taking a massive hit. As you can see, there is blood on the street, and that's why I thought I should bring this to you guys' attention real quick. Now, this is the orders chart against the BTC pair. I believe this chart is already getting a bounce already. I told you guys last year when the quantitative tightening came to an end, December 1st, 2025. I told you guys I think the orders chart against the BTC pair is likely to bottom here after several years of being in the bear market. The orders chart against the BTC pair, as a matter of fact, altcoins in general have been in a stylish, systematic bear market since 2022. And we finally bottomed last year, December 1st, when the quantitative tightening came to an end. If you're going back in time, the last time the quantitative tightening came to an end, August 1st, 2019, we bottomed, we held above the multi-year trend line, and what happened after then? We began to systematically, gradually go up until we rallied to the upside and then retested it once again before the final massive move all the way to the 2021 bull market. So I think the 2019 playbook is likely to play out once again for altcoins. Now, this orders chart is the ratio crypto total market cap excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space and also excluding BTC. So I think it is likely to follow this projection I drew. Fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. Now, for this BTC model that has played out exactly almost in the entire crypto market, bear market, almost in the entire BTC bear market and bull market. Now, if you're paying attention between 2014 and also early 2015, January 2015 to be precise, bear market, we bottomed at exactly 373 days after the top of the bull market in 2013. Now, after we bottomed, what happened? We rallied from there all the way to 2017 top, and it took BTC 1,066 days. Remember, the bear market before the bull market that took 1,066 days took BTC 373 days. Now, if you're going back, if you're moving forward, you would notice after that top in 2017, we bottomed in 2018. It took BTC 363 days to bottom. And after that bottom happened, it took BTC 1,068 days to top again in 2021. Now, I think you guys need to carefully pay attention to the pattern. It is usually 1,060 something days. It usually takes BTC 1,060 something days to top, for the bull market to top. And it usually takes the BTC market over 360 days to bottom. Pay attention to the pattern. The last bear market we had, which was in 2022, topped in November 2021 and then bottomed in 2022. It took BTC 364 days to bottom after topping in 2021 November. 364 days. Now, if you're paying attention to the current top we just topped, it took BTC 1,066 days to top after bottoming in 2022. It took BTC 1,066 days to peak to top. Now, if you're going back, it is usually 1,060 something days. 1,060 something days. I'm looking forward to the month of between September and first week of October for the market to bottom. Fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. So if that happens, if it's bottoming between late September and early October, then it's likely to take BTC again 362 days. We are left with around 220 days for BTC to bottom. Like seriously. And if that is happening, I believe the orders chart is going to explode this time around to the upside. But before then, I think BTC is likely to get a relief rally to the upside, a relief pump to the upside to 70-something, 80-something K before further drop to the downside. Altcoins are already outperforming BTC, which is also signaling that the moment BTC gets that small pump to the upside, then our altcoin bag is going to rally harder than BTC. If you're also paying attention to the BTC dominance, we are already prime and ready for a massive drop to the downside. The moment this drop begins, it is going to send our altcoin bag to the moon. The market is likely to temporarily bottom ending between February ending and early March. We are likely to temporarily bottom within that window and then begin to gradually move to the upside. It is not going to happen on a straight line. The pump is not going to be on a straight line. It's going to take a lot of people by surprise. So the temporary bottom for now is going to be between late February 2026 and early March. The moment we bottom, it is going to be up only from there all the way until we top again towards August, September ending, and then bottom late September 2026. So the time frame between September and October is this period I'm looking forward to a potential bottom for the entire cryptocurrency bear market. Now, if you're paying attention to this chart on a weekly time frame, this is the BTC chart. When we topped in 2021, BTC dumped minus 52% before pumping, getting a relief rally, and then dumping further all the way to 16K. Now, I think history is repeating herself before our very eye. BTC topped October last year, and ever since then, we've dumped minus 52% as well. And if you're paying attention to the RSI is matching the same energy we had in 2022 bear market. The same energy, the same pattern is repeating itself before our very eye. So I think we are likely to get a relief pump very, very soon, before maybe to around 80 something K, before a further drop to the downside. I'm expecting the bottom to happen between 55K and 45K. Between 55K and 45K is where BTC is going to bottom. That is just it. So yeah, that's that for that. If you're here to like this video, smash the like button, destroy the like button. We are left at 220 days before the market bottoms. So fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. Like this video if you haven't already. Subscribe. Peace out.